Are you still struggling in 2025? Trying to find a way to make money online, trying to find a way to quit your job, trying to find a way to pay off debt, trying to find a way to be at home with your kids? Whatever the case may be, if that's you and you're trying to figure this out alone, stop right here and watch this video. If you're new to my channel, my name is Lane Levette, and I teach women how to start making money online in the online space just by being themselves and posting content that they're probably already posting anyway. If you're tired of posting for free, you may as well get paid. If you're posting online or scrolling online or spending a lot of time in the online space, then guess what? You should be getting paid for it. I'm about to make this video as simple as possible. It's going to be quick, it's going to be straight to the point, and it's going to be talking about how to start selling digital products online in 2025. Simple, beginner friendly, no experience needed. Everything is content. So if you're feeling overwhelmed, completely confused, this video is for you. I'm going to start by talking about how I got started, what digital products are, and how you can start selling them and making money online even if you don't have a product of your own. I'm going to make it super beginner friendly because I remember when I started, I didn't have a clue what I was doing. I just knew I was tired of my 9-to-5, tired of being broke, and I needed to figure out a better way to make money. And guess what? The digital products changed that for me and allowed me to quit my 9-to-5. So, what even are digital products? Let's start there. A digital product is something you can sell and share online that does not require shipping. It can be an ebook, a guide, a checklist, a template, a course, audio files, and so much more. You can create it, you can license it, and you can sell it over and over and over and over and over again without ever touching inventory. That's the power of digital products. It's no inventory, it's scalable, there's no physical cost, and it works 24/7 once you set them up. And before you even ask, no, you do not need to be an expert. And no, you do not need to build everything from scratch. Here are 2 beginner-friendly ways that you can get started right now. Option 1, done for you digital products, or PLR products, which stands for private label rights. These are digital products that are already created for you by somebody else. For example, checklists, ebooks, templates. And the best part about these, you can legally rebrand them, edit them, and resell them as your own. So instead of starting from scratch, you're starting with something that's halfway done. You can change the colors, you can change the title, you can change the name. It's yours and you can sell it however you choose. This is perfect if you're still learning how to market, build a brand, and sell online, because you won't be stuck trying to figure out how to create a product from scratch. Option 2, affiliate marketing. That just means you promote somebody else's product for commission. The key to this is finding the right product with good commissions. For me, that was UBC, Ultimate Branding Course. The exact course that I always tell y'all about that I started with as a complete beginner that changed my life is an affiliate program. It taught me everything I needed to know: marketing, branding, content, automation, real skills that helped me build my brand and make real money. And the best part, when you join UBC, not only are you learning all of these skills, but you're able to be an affiliate and make money at the same time. For me, I was able to make $10,000 my second month after getting UBC as a complete beginner from sharing the course with other people and allowing them to see how they can start and start earning income too. If you are an affiliate, you don't need your own product. You can actually make money by sharing somebody else's product, and you're not having to do all the work and build this program or build this product from scratch, and you're able to get started quicker and start making money faster. You just got to work on learning how to show up online consistently, being your authentic self. Right now, I want to address the elephant in the room. Do you have to buy something to get started? That is like one of the #1 questions that I get from random people, beginners. Well, do I have to buy something to start? And let me just say this. If you want to make money, you need something to sell. If you don't have a product and you're not ready to create from scratch, then yes, you'll need to either get a done-for-you product or invest in some type of course that comes with affiliate rights. It's not a SCAM, it's a business. And trust me, it's way cheaper than going back to school. And it can actually make you money quicker if you stay consistent and you put in the work. Now, this is where most beginners get stuck because they say, I want to create my own product. Cool, but do you know what to make? How to package it, how to price it, and most importantly, how to market it. Most people don't, so they waste 3 months or more creating something that they never even launch. That's why I always say start with something that's already done for you, or start by learning the skills first. Then later, when you have experience, you can create your own offer. So let's break this down. Step 1, pick your path. Do you want to start with a done-for-you product that has private label rights, or do you want to start with an affiliate course or an affiliate program that allows you to earn commission? Step 2, you're going to set up your store. For example, I use Stand Store. It takes less than 20 minutes to set up. You upload your product or your affiliate link, you set up your Stripe account or PayPal, and boom, you're ready to make sales. Step 3, show up online. How else is anyone gonna know you're selling anything if you're not online promoting it? This is how you build trust and get sales. Share your story, post your reels, talk about what you're learning. People connect with people, not just products. And if you show up as your true, authentic self, trust me, you'll be able to eventually get those sales. Step 4, you're going to talk about your offer consistently. Don't just post once and disappear. You have to show up over and over and over and over again, especially in the beginning, because that's how you build the trust. Step 5, stay consistent for at least 30 to 90 days. This is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It's get paid with consistency. I didn't blow up overnight, but I showed up every single day, even when I was tired, even when I was still working a full-time job. And now I get paid daily and I have full control of my 24 hours. Now, just to bring this full circle, I started with affiliate marketing with UBC, a course that truly changed my life and my mindset. I was a burnout working mom, basically working paycheck to paycheck. And in just a few months, I had a brand and I was having 1K days. And guess what? I eventually left that draining 9 to 5. You don't have to have it all figured out to start. You just have to be willing to learn and take that first step. Okay, now after this video and listening, you should be ready to get started if you haven't already. And here are your 2 options. Choose the one that makes the most sense to you. Option 1. If you want to start just like I did and go all in and learn the skills to build a brand and business and be able to earn as an affiliate while you're learning, then UBC is for you. It's the same course I started with and you can promote it and earn 85% commission. That's a big deal if you're serious about building income. Option 2, if you want to start with a smaller investment in something like a done-for-you product, check out my digital marketing blueprint bundle. Y'all, it's beginner friendly and it includes an audio mini course that is going to teach you all the foundational stuff that you need to know about digital products and digital marketing. It's also going to come with 6 PLR eBooks that you can learn from, but also rebrand and resell as your own if you choose to. And right now I am running a special promotion and you can grab the entire bundle for only $57. $57, y'all. No code needed, just $57. So please don't overthink this. Pick your path and get started, because sitting on the fence is not going to make you money. I'll have both options linked below in the description box. You can also always find them in my YouTube bio. And if you have any questions at all, don't hesitate to send me an email or DM me over on Instagram. I will also have my Instagram link down below and also in my YouTube bio. If you've been praying for a sign, this is it. God can't bless what you won't move on. Take that first step, have faith, and trust the process. And let me know down below what else y'all want to see when it comes to learning more about digital products. And I will catch y'all in the next video. Bye, y'all.